until this machine gets fixed, I'll more than likely be having to pull double shifts for the foreseeable future.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, honey.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes the doctor.
The results of your test came back, and I have some bad news.
What is it?
I'm afraid you have a bronchial carcinoma.
When's
What
that?
is?
It's lung cancer. And I can make you some referrals to an oncologist to get some treatment options.
No, that's not possible. I came in for a cough I've had for a couple of weeks.
I'm sorry.
I can't do double shifts with you like this. Work is stressful enough as it is, and how are the kids gonna react to this? You don't deserve something like this.
You're gonna be okay.